In this video, you'll learn how to effectively utilize the Udemy platform on your laptop. This guide explains the steps necessary to access your courses through a web browser, as there is no official desktop app for Udemy. Begin by checking the availability of the Udemy app. It is important to note that Udemy primarily offers applications for Android and iOS devices. Therefore, if you are using a laptop, you will not find an official desktop app to download. Next, open a web browser on your laptop. You can use popular options such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type in the Udemy website URL and press Enter to navigate to the site. Once the Udemy homepage loads, locate the login button typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button and you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. After entering your email and password, proceed by clicking the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your learning dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view all the courses you have enrolled in. Browse through your enrolled courses and select any course to begin watching lectures. The video player will load, allowing you to start your learning experience directly from the browser. Keep in mind that streaming videos may require a stable internet connection. If you encounter buffering issues, check your internet speed to ensure a smooth viewing experience. Additionally, consider your data usage if you are on a limited plan, as streaming can consume significant bandwidth.